On this auspicious occasion, Pro Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Madhumati Goyal, Dean Faculty of Medical Faculty, Professor Vinita Das, Dean Faculty of Dental Sciences, Professor Shadab Muhammad, and heads of the Department of Anatomy, Physiology, Biochemistry, and Preventive and Social Medicine, faculty from these departments, other faculty from the university, Chief Doctor Professor R.S. Kushwaha, and my dear students from both the batches, second year and first year, and other employees of the university. You have joined a very great institution, King George Medical College, now King George Medical University, with a glorious tradition of 115 years approximately. All of us should be proud of that, because you are part of this family now, the Georgian family. But more proud moment for the university is that very brilliant bunch of students, the most brilliant boys and girls joining the stream of medicine and dentistry have joined the King George Medical University, and you represent that brilliant class of the future generation doctors, and we really feel proud and privileged to welcome you all at the King George Medical University. Needless to say that the most brilliant and toppers of the entrance examinations, they join this institution. Based on the ranking and credits and laurels of this institution, mostly you join. But future laurels, growth, development and ranking of the institution depends on how you conduct yourself. The future of the institution is in your hands. And if you do well in your examination, not only you achieve something great for yourself. If you do well in your life, it's not only you do for yourself, your whole family feels proud of it. They are really feel the results of your achievements as part of their own results. But most important is this, that this institution is solely dependent on your performances. So your presence in this institution and how you conduct yourself during the next 4.5 years is the most important for the future of this institution, and I wish that you take up this responsibility the way you have been doing earlier before joining this institution. Why I am saying so? For the simple reason that we know because of your hard work, because of your brilliance, you have taken admission here. But few of the students, because of their shifting from their original roots, families or cultural backdrop, they get misguided or they lose the track. And that becomes very unfortunate for that student and for that family, and that is the real loss of the institution and loss of the nation. So I request you all to kindly keep the track of your future career, and you take the responsibility in your hands. It should not be driven, guided or demanded by someone else outside of you. Everyone should take the reins of his life and future career in her or his own hands. And if you do so, I am sure of your success and thereby the success of the institution by your good conduct, good behavior, good performance, good academic growth. On this occasion, we have assembled to celebrate the 1 month long journey wherein you have been inducted to the branch of medicine in this institution. And dear friends, this is just the beginning of the exposure to the whatever is happening in this great institution. There are continuously various programs outside of your academic curriculum and programs to take care of your all-round development. And you should not only be focused on your studies, you should look forward for all-round development of your personality, and that is what this educational institution wants. And the reason is very simple, that we have to live a life in totality, and that totality gives the happiness to all of us. If it's a lopsided, one-sided development, then we may not cause happiness to ourselves, and we may not be source for the happiness for the whole society. So you should look forward for the opportunity to be in the playground, in the cultural events and other activities, extracurricular activities, maybe essay writing, film and festivities, and other events taking place in this institution, like debates, competition, quizzes, and so many things. I can assure you, you may not know now, and you may know by the end of your 4.5 years of journey, that the amount of exposure the students in this institution get is not seen anywhere in the country. At least on that count, I can say a good luck to you to keep counting your blessings, and if you keep track of your blessings, your journey is successfully assured for yourself and for the entire society. On this occasion, I will not be talking much except for one more observation, that education is the one of the most important ingredient for any individual, any human being to have the success in life. And you are few of the chosen, fortunate to be here sitting in this hall today. This golden opportunity, this great opportunity given by the society, by the system, by the government, you should take full out of this opportunity, and that is in your hands. So kindly don't lose the track anywhere down the line for your forward journey, and rest is assured for your success. And with these few words, I once again wish you all good luck for future, and welcome once again wholeheartedly to the Georgian family at this great institution. And you are assured of all kinds of cooperation from your teachers, guidance, but you have to be taking the responsibility for your own future. And peer pressure is one thing which is a very good for the development and growth, and sometimes it has got the negative connotation. So all your dear friends, batchmates, seniors, and in future juniors also, I request you all to kindly not cause a peer pressure which could be negatively connotated, and it may cause damage to somebody's growth. One thing is assured, that this campus is zero ragging free campus, and today is the end of the open environment for you, though we'll keep on giving all kinds of protection against the ragging. But this batch, I request you, which I told you on the 1st of August also, to kindly commit yourself that under no circumstances you will be participating, doing or be taking part in ragging for the future also, currently also. If anyone does anything which is akin to ragging, you immediately inform, and that is the way to stop ragging in this institution. And you should commit yourself that next year you have no option to indulge in ragging, because in this civilized society, the rule of the game has to be followed, and all the rules and regulations, they prohibit it in any form, and you have to comply with this from today only. Because if someone rags you, inform the authorities, and you should commit that the next year you will not be taking part in any kind of ragging. Do you agree to that?
Yes, sir.
If you all of us, you sitting here, agree to not indulge in any kind of ragging, yes, or either being ragged or doing ragging, kindly raise your hands. Few. वो तो आपकी सक्सेस है. Thank you. I'm sure you will follow these values here in this institution. Best of luck, and thanks to the team of Dr. Jyoti Chopra and our organizing team, our organizing people. Thank you very much.